every single day, every single night. The barking never stops, and nothing you try seems to work. Millions of dog owners face this exact problem palette, and most of them are doing it all wrong. But not after today. What you are about to see are 3 scientifically backed techniques that have helped thousands of dog owners restore peace in their homes. The difference between these 2 dogs is not breed, not age count, it is training. And training starts with understanding why your dog barks in the first place. Dogs bark because they believe they need to alert you. Your first job is to acknowledge that alert, and then redirect their attention with a calm, firm cue. Say the word quiet in a low, calm voice. Do not repeat it. Do not shout. The reward must come for silence, not for stopping the bark at 5 minutes. After 7 to 10 consistent repetitions per day, most dogs begin to self-regulate. The brain literally rewires to choose calm over chaos. Reactive barking comes from fear or overexcitement. The cure is controlled, repeated exposure to the trigger. That moment the dog notices the trigger but has not yet reacted, that is the threshold, that is your training zone. Work at this distance every single session. Here is a mistake almost every owner makes: pulling the leash tight when the dog reacts. Your nervous system directly influences your dog's. Breathe out. Relax your grip. Teaching your dog a designated calm zone changes everything. When chaos starts, you want one word that means go to your place and stay there. Begin by dropping a high-value treat directly onto the mat. Let the dog discover it naturally. Once the dog reliably goes to the mat, add distance. Then add duration. Now comes the real test. A doorbell, a knock, a visitor. Say place with calm authority. Oh! When you yell at a barking dog, your dog hears, my human is also barking. Petting and soothing a dog while it is actively barking tells the brain that barking earned a reward. Training 2 days then skipping 4 does not build habits, it builds confusion. Every missed session is 2 steps backward. Your dog is not trying to make your life difficult. It is trying to cope with a world that often feels overwhelming. An under-exercised dog is a reactive dog. Before any training session, a physically settled dog is neurologically primed to absorb training. Never skip the cool-down. Scientific studies confirm that consistent positive reinforcement training produces measurable behavioral shifts. Dogs that respond to calm commands in high-stimuli environments, including vet clinics, experience significantly lower alerts. You have just learned the quiet cue, controlled exposure, and the place command. 3 tools. Applied consistently, your dog is watching everything you do. Your tone, your posture, your breathing. If this video helped you, subscribe right now and hit the bell. Every week, new training methods free.
You started this video frustrated. You are ending it with a plan. Now go train your dog.